Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This brand new home with smart home features is ideally suited for a statesman. Welcome to Grand Living with high ceilings, with LED mode lighting and integrated surround speakers with Bluetooth connectivity. The open concept living and dining and kitchen area is ideal for family time. In the main building, there is a dedicated office and study space, 3 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, a powder room, and a dressing room for the master bedroom. This home takes comfortable living to a new heights. Security is also priority, as this home is outfitted with an electronic gate and security cameras. This dream home boasts a rooftop entertainment area with grand mountain views, a wet bar, and lots of space to entertain. This home also features a separate in-law suite featuring 2 bedrooms, a full bathroom, living, dining area, kitchen, and built-in laundry. With ample parking and green spaces, this home is made for the discerning buyer. The land area of this house is approximately 7,000 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 77.5 million or US $503.5 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.